Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila, and for today I have prepared for you a new stitch, a new knit stitch, which is a braid. As you can see, here are two braids, which is very similar to cable knit stitch, but it's slightly different. So it looks like braided hair, braided tail. As you can see, it's like a braided tail. When you braid the hair, it looks similar to this kind of braiding. That's why it's a faux cable knit stitch, and it's got just 2 rows, suitable for beginners and very easy, very simple to do. This is the front side, this is the back of this knit stitch. So you have to firstly cast on the needles, you cast on as usual, and first row and second row I would advise you to knit stitches on the front row and on the back row, knit stitches, and only then for you to start doing this stitch, this cable stitch. And it's very easy, very simple to do. I've got needles, cubical needles, as you can see, number 6. This is pale green acrylic yarn. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 18 stitches, and first loop we do not knit, we just pass it on to the right needle, and the last loop we always knit it with a purl stitch. So first 2 loops we knit it with 2 purl stitches. So I remind you again, it's very easy to do. This pattern is suitable for beginners, and so you start off with 2 purl stitches, then we knit 2 knit stitches, 2 knit stitches, then we make out of 3 stitches 3 knit stitches. We penetrate all of them all 3 stitches like so, grab the yarn from behind, rotate it, hold it with a finger, then we do yarn over, hold it with a finger, and then we knit these 3 loops yet again 1 more time. So we make out of 3 loops another 3 loops, and only then we release these loops. So 2 purl stitches, then we knit 2 front stitches, 2 knit stitches, knit stitches, 2 knit stitches, and then we go through the inside of the 3 loops, we grab the yarn, we knit 1 knit stitch, then we do yarn over, then we knit yet again, we hold all of these 3, we release these 3 loops from the needle, left needle, and we knit 2 purl stitches, and the last one is always a purl stitch. Okay, now this is the second row, which looks similar to the first row, but it's a bit different. So we do not knit the first loop, we knit 2 front stitches, 2 knit stitches, 2 purl stitches, then we take these 3 purl stitches, these we penetrate with the right needle all these 3 purl stitches, but this time we knit it with a purl stitch. So we do yarn over, so we knit, yarn over, and we knit these 3 loops yet again. We knit them with a purl stitch, so create 3 loops, and only then we release. Then 2 knit stitches, so 2 purl stitches. Yet again we take these 3 loops, we penetrate all these 3 loops, but we do the knitting on the front, so we knit it like a purl stitch. So we make 1 purl stitch, yarn over, hold it, then again we knit these 3 stitches as a purl stitch, so create 3 stitches. So 2 front stitches, and the last one, it's a purl stitch. And this is all the pattern. As you can see, it makes it look like a braid, like a faux cable. It's very, very, very pretty, especially if you want to do like a jumper or a hat. I've done a hat with it and it was fantastic. I've made it for my mom. She loved it so much, and it kept her warm all winter, last winter. And as you can see, it's very beautiful, it's very stylish. So you knit all over again the first row and then the second row, and this is it. It's very simple, it's very quick to do. You do not lose stitches as you knit this pattern. With knit stitch is easy, simple. So I wish you luck in your projects. Hopefully you can find something useful to make out of this knit stitch, and hopefully we can create beautiful things together with my channel, with me and my channel. Please put likes, please subscribe, and see you in my next video. Please leave comments below, and see you soon. Bye.